No dumbbells, no resistance bands, no problem. You already have everything you need to get a great workout in your American home right now. So many people think you need an expensive gym membership or fancy equipment shipped to your door to stay active. But the truth is, your kitchen, your pantry, and your living room are already full of perfect exercise tools. Today, we're going to use soup cans, books, a towel, a pillow, water bottles, and a sturdy Cheritums every American has. I'm going to show you 9 effective exercises that cover strength, cardio, and balance, all in about 10 minutes. Let's prove that your house is the only gym you need. Ready? Comment below and tell me what American household item you use to exercise. Let's start with strength. First up, soup can bicep curls. Grab 2 cans of soup from your pantry. Campbell's, Progresso, whatever you've got, these 10 to 15 ounce cans are perfect. You can stand or sit in a chair for this one. Hold 1 can in each hand with your arms down at your sides. Now slowly curl the cans up toward your shoulders, squeezing your biceps. Then lower them back down slowly. Let's aim for 12 to 15 repetitions for 2 sets. Why does this work? These cans are the perfect beginner weight, not too heavy, not too light, and they build the arm strength you need for carrying groceries. You can also use water bottles or even a jar of peanut butter. Next, the book overhead press. Find a hardcover booker cookbook, a Bible, maybe you still have an old phone book lying around. Anything around 2 to 5 pounds is ideal. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold the book with both hands at your chest. Now press the book straight up overhead until your arms are extended. Then lower it back down to your chest. Let's do 10 to 12 reps for 2 sets. This is fantastic for strengthening the shoulders you use to reach for things on high shelves. If you don't have a heavy book, a 5-pound bag of rice or flour, or even a jug of laundry detergent works great. Now for our back, let's do seated towel rows. All you need is a bath towel or a kitchen towel. Sit up straight in a chair and loop the middle of the towel under one of your feet. Hold both ends of the towel firmly. Now pull the towel back towards your chest like you're rowing a boat. Keep your back straight and really squeeze those shoulder blades together. Do 12 to 15 reps on one leg, then switch to the other. Let's do 2 sets for each leg. This is amazing for strengthening your back muscles, which is so important for good posture. Plus, every single American home has a towel. You're creating your own resistance here. For our last strength move, grab 2 water bottles for lateral raises. Standard 16-ounce bottles are perfect. You can fill them up all the way or just part way to adjust the weight. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart, holding a bottle in each hand at your sides. Now raise your arms straight out to the sides, like you're making airplane wings, until they're at shoulder height. Lower them back down slowly and with control. 10 to 12 reps for 2 sets is our goal. This strengthens your shoulders for all sorts of daily activities, whether it's Poland Spring, Aquafina, or Dasani. Every American fridge has these. All right, let's get that heart rate up with some cardio. First, the pillow pass. Grab a pillow from your couch or bed. Stand with your feet shoulder widths apart, holding the pillow at your chest. Now, twist your torso to the right and pass the pillow into your right hand. Then, twist to the left and pass it to your left hand. Keep passing it from side to side, moving as quickly as you feel comfortable. Let's go for 1 to 2 minutes continuously. This is a safe way to get your heart rate up, and the twisting motion is great for your core. A decorative throw pillow is often lighter and easier to grip. Next, let's use those soup cans again for soup can step-ups. You'll need your 2 cans and the bottom step of a staircase. Or a sturdy low stool works too. Hold a can in each hand for a little extra resistance. Now, step up onto the stair with your right foot, and then bring your left foot up to meet it. Step back down with your right foot, then your left. On the next one, lead with your left foot. We're going to alternate legs for 1 to 2 minutes. This combines cardio with leg strengthening. If you need some support, just hold the stair railing with one hand. For our final cardio move, we'll do towel slides. You need a small hand towel and a smooth floor like hardwood or tile. This won't work on carpet. Stand with one foot on the towel. Now, slide that foot out to the side. Then use your inner thigh muscles to pull it back to the center. Let's do this 15 to 20 times. Then switch feet. Keep the movement continuous to get your heart pumping. This is a wonderful limb-packed exercise that really works your inner and outer thighs. Your kitchen or bathroom floor is perfect for this. Now, let's focus on balance, which is so critical for preventing falls. First, the book balance. Grab a lightweight paperback book. Stand behind a chair so you can hold on for support. Place the book on top of your head. First, just try to balance it while standing still for 30 seconds. Feel how it forces you to stand up tall. Now, try to walk 10 steps forward, keeping the book balanced. Turn around and walk back. This improves your posture and engages your core. For an extra challenge, try it without holding onto the chair. Next, the pillow stand. Place a couch or bed pillow on the floor and have a chair nearby for safety. Stand on the pillow with both feet. You'll notice it's an unstable surface, which is great for training balance. Once you feel steady, slowly lift one foot off the pillow. Try to balance on just one leg for 10 to 20 seconds. Then switch legs. Let's repeat that 3 times for each leg. This unstable surface mimics uneven ground you might encounter outside, making it a very practical exercise. Always keep that chair within arm's reach. Our last exercise is the can reach and touch. Sit in your chair and place 4 to 6 soup cans on the floor around you, in the front and to the sides. Now, while staying seated, reach down and touch one can, then return to a tall, upright sitting position. Then, reach for a different can. Continue reaching for the different cans for about 1 minute. This works on your dynamic balance and control as you bend and reach in multiple directions. It's a very functional movement, just like picking up a dropped remote or a piece of mail. And there you have it, your complete 10-minute routine. You spent $0 and used items you already have. Soup cans from the pantry, books from the shelf, towels from the bathroom, and pillows from the couch. You don't need a gym. You don't need to order anything. Your American home is the best gym there, is resourceful, practical, and ready when you are. So comment below. What household item are you going to exercise with today? Is it a soup can, a book, or a towel? Let me know. Be sure to subscribe for more easy exercises you can do at home, and share this with a friend who thinks they need expensive equipment. Save this video, your home gym is officially open. Thanks for working out with me.